Welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add another website to your Hostgator baby plan. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to expand your online presence, this guide will make the process smooth and effortless. First, open your web browser and head over to Hostgator's homepage. You can do this by typing www.hostgator.com directly in the address bar. Once you're there, find the sign in button at the top right and log in using your account email and password. This will take you to your dashboard, your control center for everything hosting related. Next, navigate to My Account and then click on Hosting. Here, you'll see all the hosting plans you're subscribed to, including your baby plan. From the sidebar, select Website to view all the sites currently hosted under your account. Now for the exciting part, adding your new website. Look for the Add the Site button and click it. You'll be prompted to enter some basic details, your site name and the domain you want to connect. Double check everything because this info sets up your site's identity. Once you're confident the details are correct, click Add Site. Hostgator will process your request. This usually takes just a few moments. When it's complete, your new website will appear in your dashboard alongside your other sites. And that's it. You've successfully added another website to your Hostgator baby plan. If anything seems off, don't worry. You can always contact Hostgator support or revisit these steps to make sure nothing was missed. Now, you're ready to manage multiple sites from one account and grow your online presence like a pro. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tips to make the most of your hosting setup.